Welcome back to Luxury Autos. If you're a car enthusiast and a fan of Grand Theft Auto V, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning and powerful mods you can install in GTA 5, the Ferrari 812 Superfast. This Italian V12 monster has been recreated by the modding community with breathtaking detail, giving players a chance to experience one of Ferrari's finest from behind the wheel in the open world of Los Santos. Whether you're cruising through Vinewood Hills, tearing down the highway, or showing off at a car meet in 5M, the 812 Superfast delivers style, speed, and an unforgettable presence. What is the Ferrari 812 Superfast? In the real world, the Ferrari 812 Superfast is a front mid-engine Grand Tourer that represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's V12 tradition. Powered by a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine producing 789 horsepower and 530 pounds-to-feet of torque, the 812 is capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed north of 211 miles per hour. It's not just about numbers, so it's about the sound, the design, and the unmatched Italian engineering. And now, thanks to GTA 5 modders, this car has been faithfully recreated for the game. The level of detail is insane, and it's as close as you can get to driving a Ferrari 812 without shelling out hundreds of thousands of dollars. Mod features and details. This Ferrari 812 mod doesn't cut any corners. The exterior model is laser accurate, featuring Ferrari's signature sculpted body lines, aggressive front grille, and aerodynamic rear profile. It includes high-definition textures, working headlights, taillights, and indicators, custom Ferrari engine sounds. Fully functional dashboard with working speedometers and rev counters, breakable glass, realistic damage, and detailed interior. The car also supports various paint jobs and custom liveries, letting you truly personalize your ride. Whether you want that classic Ferrari red or a stealthy matte black, the choice is yours. What really sets this mod apart is its handling and performance. It's tuned to feel powerful but grounded, with realistic acceleration, tight turning, and weight distribution that mirrors the real-life car. You'll feel the difference when you hit the gas or take a corner at high speed. How to install the Ferrari 812 mod in GTA 5? Installing this mod is pretty straightforward if you've worked with GTA 5 mods before. Here's a quick guide. Driving experience in GTA 5. Once you're behind the wheel of the 812 Superfast, it's a whole new level of immersion. The car's raw V12 sound gives you goosebumps, and the acceleration is buttery smooth yet brutally fast. Drifting through downtown or racing up the Great Ocean Highway feels incredibly authentic. The car grips the road, handles like a dream, and commands attention wherever you go. NPCs react to the car, your in-game character looks right at home in it, and if you've installed a realistic traffic or weather mod, the experience becomes even more cinematic. The Ferrari 812 Superfast mod in GTA 5 is more than just eye candy. It's a fully immersive driving experience that captures the spirit of Ferrari in every way possible. If you're a fan of supercars or just want to add something special to your game, this mod is an absolute must-have. It looks great, sounds incredible, and performs like a dream. Pair it with a racing track mod, a luxury garage, or just cruise through Los Santos in style. Either way, you won't be disappointed. Download it, install it, and take the ride of your life. Don't forget, like, comment, share and subscribe to Luxury Autos.